Company of One by Paul Jarvis is a thought-provoking book that challenges the traditional notion of business growth and success. The author argues that instead of constantly expanding and scaling up, entrepreneurs should focus on creating and maintaining a sustainable, profitable company of one, a business that supports its owner's desired lifestyle without requiring significant growth or outside investment. Throughout the book, Jarvis presents compelling reasons for embracing this counterintuitive approach and provides practical advice on how to achieve it. The book begins by debunking several myths about business growth, such as the idea that bigger is always better, that growth is essential for success, and that more customers always equal more profit. Jarvis contends that these beliefs are often perpetuated by venture capitalists, consultants, and other members of the growth at all costs economy, who benefit from encouraging entrepreneurs to chase unattainable growth targets. In reality, he argues, many successful businesses are small, profitable, and self-sufficient, with no need for exponential expansion. Jarvis then introduces the concept of the lifestyle business, which he defines as a company that provides its owner with a comfortable living while requiring minimal time and effort to maintain. Lifestyle businesses are typically small, niche-focused, and often serve a specific market segment. They are designed to be sustainable and profitable without the need for constant growth or outside investment. The author goes on to discuss the benefits of running a lifestyle business, including greater control over one's work-life balance, the ability to focus on quality over quantity, and the freedom to pursue personal interests and passions. He also addresses common concerns about lifestyle businesses, such as their perceived lack of prestige or potential for long-term success. To counter these arguments, Jarvis shares numerous examples of successful lifestyle businesses that have thrived for decades or even generations. Throughout the book, Jarvis emphasizes the importance of developing a clear vision for one's business and aligning it with one's personal values and goals. He encourages entrepreneurs to ask themselves tough questions about what they really want from their businesses and to be honest about their priorities and limitations. This self-awareness is critical for creating a sustainable, profitable company of one. To help entrepreneurs achieve this goal, Jarvis provides practical advice on a range of topics, including 1. Niche selection. He advocates for finding a niche market that aligns with one's interests and expertise, and that has the potential for sustainable growth. 2. Pricing strategy. Jarvis argues that underpricing is as detrimental as overpricing and encourages entrepreneurs to set prices that reflect the true value of their products or services. 3. Marketing and sales. The author emphasizes the importance of building relationships with customers and focusing on quality over quantity when it comes to marketing efforts. 4. Operational efficiency. Jarvis stresses the need for streamlining processes and automating tasks whenever possible to minimize the time and effort required to run the business. 5. Delegation and outsourcing. He encourages entrepreneurs to delegate tasks they don't enjoy or aren't good at and to consider outsourcing certain functions entirely. 6. Financial management. Jarvis provides guidance on managing cash flow, tracking expenses, and creating a sustainable financial plan for the business. 7. Personal development. The author emphasizes the importance of ongoing learning and self-improvement for entrepreneurs, as well as maintaining a healthy work-life balance. In the final chapters of the book, Jarvis addresses common challenges faced by entrepreneurs who are considering embracing the company of one mindset. These include dealing with societal pressures to grow, overcoming fears of failure or success, and navigating the transition from a growth-focused to a lifestyle-focused business model. Throughout these discussions, he offers practical advice and encouragement for entrepreneurs who are ready to take control of their businesses and create a sustainable, fulfilling life. In conclusion, Company of One is a thought-provoking and empowering book that challenges traditional notions of business success and provides a compelling alternative for entrepreneurs who value freedom, flexibility, and sustainability. By embracing the company of one mindset, entrepreneurs can create businesses that support their desired lifestyles without sacrificing profitability or personal fulfillment. The book's practical advice, real-world examples, and emphasis on self-awareness make it an invaluable resource for any entrepreneur looking to create a truly successful and sustainable business.